Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I have partnered with FabFitFun to bring you today's video. This is the first box I have ever received from them over at FabFitFun, but also the first subscription box I've ever gotten. So I'm so excited to unbox their new spring box. And they have been so generous to give me a discount code to share with you guys. It is $10 off using my code. I'll have it go across the screen and I'll have it down in the description box. So if you want to order yourself one of these, or you want to gift one to a friend or a mom for upcoming Mother's Day, or just treat yourself to some fun surprises, the code will be down below. So let's unbox this. I have not looked through it. I have no idea what's in here, so you guys are gonna get my first impressions and we're gonna unbox it. Okay, so the first thing to notice about it is the cute box. Packaging is everything, and it's like got this cute like cactus floral print on it. And another thing that I really love is that they support a lot of different organizations, and a lot of the products that they put in the FabFitFun boxes come from women created companies. So they're really about supporting women who create amazing products and including them in these boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and it says right here on the inside, Spring 2019. And so we have a little magazine here, FabFitFun 2019 Spring, with Venus Williams on the front. And so this goes through and tells you like what is inside your box and the tips and tricks on ways to use it. There's some really yummy looking recipes in here. So this is a fun little addition to the box. So that's really cool. The next thing in here is right on the top. So let me rip off this tissue paper and I'll show you kind of how it looks on the inside. So down in the box, you can see that it's not a bunch of samples. These are full-sized products. And that is another thing that I really liked about FabFitFun, is that the price for the box is essentially what it would cost basically to get one full-sized product. And so you can get lots of full-size products in here, or different things that are gonna exceed the value of the box by a lot. I think I read that the box is valued at over $200 if each item were individually retailed. So it's a really good way to try new things that you wouldn't even find yourself and still get a really good value. So the first thing that I have in here is this super cute hot and cold sip by Swell, and it is insulated to keep your drinks hot or cold, which I love. It's a 15-ounce bottle, and it is really cute. It's like peachy and has like little whales on it, and it's really, really cute. Now you guys can already tell a water bottle like this alone is probably gonna be the cost of the entire box. So the value so far, definitely on point. I love this. I will use this for iced coffee coming up in the hot months. The next thing that I have in here is the 11 by Venus jump rope. This is pretty awesome because she's pretty impressive. And so now she's created a jump rope, which is a great thing to have to bring with you to the gym or for home. I think my husband's even gonna like this. So her jump rope is inside here, which makes sense of why she was on the cover. So see, supporting female athletes, entrepreneurs, businesses, really cool. So this, I can already tell that this is a really good quality jump rope. The handles are like sweat. They're not going to slip out of your hands, and it's durable. It's not going to fall apart on you. So, and adjustable for height. So that's really cool. So the next thing was the jump rope by Venus Williams. Now I see some beauty products. So this is a leave-in conditioner, and there you go. There's the label. And it just says, it's O-U-A-I. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it says a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth and soften and detangle hair. I want to smell it because products in my hair have to smell good. So let's spray it. Okay, that smells really good, really fresh. That smells really, really good. So a leave-in conditioner, I'm sure it's a higher end brand. I have not heard of it, but I'm excited to use it. The next thing I have in here is the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Needles No More. No more baggage, eye depuffing gel. And it says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. I've told you guys this before. I have a really bad problem with that, and it's not because I'm tired, it's genetic. So I'm really excited to give this a try. So you can see, here's the packaging on that, but like look at the size that you're getting. Like this is a full-sized product, which I'm really impressed by, because I was assuming that there would be a lot of little samples in there, kind of like the Sephora add-ons that you get, like the little squeezy packages, but these are full-size products, so that's really nice. And I can use all the help I can get, so I'm excited to give that a try. The next thing we have in here is wrapped up like so, I think, so it doesn't spill. Wow, this looks awesome. I love taking baths and like the whole process, a candle, like a bath bomb, and so this is gonna be amazing. This is a champagne charcoal scrub, and it detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin, and it's Mana Kadar, and it is huge. Like this is a full-sized thing, and let's open it up here, and it's of course sealed, so let me peel that off so I can tell you what it smells like, because it looks so nice. Charcoal is like all the rage right now. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Wow, that smells delicious. I cannot wait to use that. I've used charcoal face masks before and I like them, so I think I'm gonna really like that scrub. So that is also in there. We're getting down to the bottom here. We got a few more things. Next we have the Lavido Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion. It's mandarin orange and bergamot. So let's see. This is a body lotion, so lots of bath and products for your skin and your face, which is just so nice to, that smells really good too. Very light and like refreshing for summertime and spring. The smells are all, it just clicked. The smells all kind of are very light and spring-like, so that's makes sense in a spring box, but yeah, really, really excited to use all that stuff. Okay, now this kind of looks like wrapped up kind of like a swaddle blanket, but it's not a swaddle blanket. It says, show me your moo-moo, like M-U-M-U. So I'm thinking that it is, let's see what this is. I don't want to say it wrong. And it says it's one size. Ooh, it's a robe, you guys. I only have a winter robe. So how pretty is this? Let me put it on. I love it. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Look, and then it's like light, so when you get out of the shower or the bath and it's warmer outside, you don't want to be sweating. And fun fact, I always get dressed last. So I do like my hair and makeup, and I love to do it in a robe and then get dressed at the very last minute. This is really cute and really lightweight. Love it. So you guys can see it has the little belt right here. So, so cute. I think I'm gonna leave it on. And the last thing in my spring FabFitFun box, it's all empty now, are these. And I know what these are just by looking at the name because I recognize the brand. It's QUAY Australia. I think it's pronounced Key. Let's see. It's a sunglass company, and I've heard amazing things about them. So I mean, sunglasses at Target are gonna be $20. So the fact that you get a pair, it is sunglasses, in your box with the robe, like, do you guys see the value? I'm impressed. I'm really actually impressed. Like I said, this is my first ever subscription box that I've ever like opened or unboxed or anything, so I wasn't quite sure what it was gonna be, but I am impressed. So these are very lightweight, and they have the little name detail here and on the front. So let's put these on and see if they're a match. What do you guys think? You can see the ring light. That's creepy. It looks like my eyeballs, but really, what do you think about these sunglasses? I have to wear big sunglasses because of my face shape, but I think these are a winner. These are so cute, and they even come with a bag to put them in so you don't have to break them or lose them. How cute are those? So I'm gonna go ahead and say I give this box 2 big thumbs up. I love everything that I got in here. I'm gonna use every single thing, and I do feel like the value is really good for the products that you're getting. You're getting name brand products, not just, you know, random things. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, I will have the links down below for you guys so you can save $10 off of your box. I think you will really enjoy it. It's fun to treat yourself and have something come to your door just for you. So I highly recommend doing so. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for unboxing with me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite product was that I showed you, or if you've ever tried any of them, let me know about it down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video really, really soon. Bye, guys.